Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video. Question number 6. What is the X and Y on a chart? The answer is, the X-axis is the time and the Y-axis is the price. Quote number 56. David C. Kosana said, "Losses are necessary as long as they are associated with a technique to help you to learn from them." This means that, essentially, losses are only a bad thing when you fail to learn from them. By learning from your losses, you are less likely to repeat them. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.